In this video, I want to show you how you can download Microsoft Office for free. So the first thing that you want to do is to log into the Bucks portal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we want to make sure that we log into our Office 365 account. You might need to enter in your username and your password in order to access your account. Now, the next thing that you want to do is in the top left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to see as I hover over it, it says Access Your Office 365 Apps. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then I'm going to find the link that says Office 365. And here you can see all the different apps. Close that out. We can see all the different apps that are available to install. And then you'll see an option that says Install Office. You'll go ahead and click this. You want to make sure that you select Install Other Options. This will allow you to download and install a version of Office on your hard drive. All right, so you can see it knows that I am working on a PC, and so I'll go ahead and say Install. And what this is going to do, it's going to create a download file. All right, it's going to create an executable file. It's going to download. And I want to make sure that when I download this file, I remember where it's going to be placed. And so I always like to, when I'm downloading files from the internet, is to store them on my desktop so they're easy for me to find. So go ahead and select desktop and then say save. And you can see that the file has been downloaded. I can either access it from the download file link. All right, so here it's asking me if I want to make changes. I already have Microsoft Office installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and close that out, because what that file does is it starts to run and begin the installation process. So hopefully this video will help you if you're having problems trying to access Microsoft Office. Make sure that you do install Microsoft Office because we are going to need it for our course. Alrighty, if you have any questions, just send me a message through the Canvas inbox.